Hey guys, this is Mama Made. So it has been quite a while since I've shared our monthly meal plan. So I meal plan a month in advance. I will, as I get my couponing deals, I think of meals that I can make with those food items and I write them on the list for the following month. So if you've been following any of my food couponing deals over at Giant, this might be able to give you some ideas on ways you can use those meal items to turn them around into meals for your family. So I'll go ahead and just share with you my monthly meal plan for the next 4 weeks. Sundays are always quick and easy meals. So Sunday, we're going to have pork chops and stuffing in the Crockpot. You probably have seen the recipe using chicken. I'm just using pork chops because that's what I have in my freezer. We're going to have mashed potatoes and a can of corn. Monday is going to be sloppy joes and mac and cheese. I may have that recipe video. I'm not sure if I have it or not. Any videos that I mention that are possible recipes will be in the description box below. The kids won't eat sloppy joe, but they're going to have hot dogs or they'll probably end up having leftover ravioli. Tuesday, we're going to have bacon chicken ranch cheese steaks. I got chicken steakums over at Giant, a really good deal a couple weeks ago. I don't think I actually shared that with you because it was a run in and grab a few items. So I'm going to turn that into cheese steaks, and then we have mac and cheese bites that were frozen. I got those over at Giant for like 75 points. Wednesday, we're going to have chicken patty sandwiches and fries, and the kids are probably just going to have a few nuggets. I throw those chicken patties that we got over at Giant, the Purdue ones, in the air fryer and make sandwiches for us. Thursday, I saw this recipe that I really want to try. I'm going to improvise though. I'm going to make cheeseburger crunch wraps. I have big tortillas. You mix up you cook your ground beef over the skillet and then you put like ketchup, mustard, and pickles. And then you make like a crunch wrap with it using tostadas. But I have taco shells that I'm just going to split in half. That works just great. So that's going to be experimental, but I do have a Crunchwrap recipe video. You can check that out if you want. We're going to have chips and the kids are going to have peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Friday is going to be a date night. Super excited about that. We haven't gone out to eat for quite a while, so I'm excited about that. We usually try to do something once a month. And then Saturday, we're going to have tortilla, taco, lasagna, and green beans. It's also called Mexican lasagna. There's a bunch of different names for it. I don't even know if I've ever done a video, but it will be linked down below if I have. So for the next Sunday, I'm going to make Crockpot ranch chicken. I just take chicken breasts, cut them into strips, throw them in the Crockpot with some ranch dressing for like 6 hours on low. It's great. I'm going to make instant mashed potatoes, throw a little ranch seasoning in them, and then we're going to have broccoli and cheese. I have so much broccoli in my freezer right now. We have something at church, so I'm also going to be bringing Rice Krispy treats that are topped with peanut butter and chocolate. Monday, we're going to have bacon chicken ranch penne bake. I'm pretty sure I have a recipe video on that. I'll link down below. Tuesday, we're going to have Frito chili nachos. I have some Fritos that we're going to open up a can of Hormel chili with beans that I got with a couponing deal. Put that on there. Add some shredded cheese and sour cream, and it's going to be nacho night. Wednesday, we're going to have meatballs and mac and cheese. Buy a bag of meatballs, throw them in the crock pot with a jar of spaghetti sauce, cook them on low, 6-8 hours. You have a super easy meal. Mac and cheese is just going to be a quick box that I got with couponing, super cheap. Thursday, I'm going to make chicken Parmesan tenders. Those are Purdue. I'm going to cook them in the air fryer or the oven. Top them with a little bit of spaghetti sauce and mozzarella, and then I'll just cook some angel hair pasta. And then Friday and Saturday, we both have things going on over at church with a Bible study. So really awesome. I don't have to worry about dinners that night. The next week, I'm going to be taking a fudge pie to my Sunday school class. It's really good. I'm pretty sure I have a recipe video on that. And then we're just going to have the leftover meatballs because that whole bag of meatballs gives us 2 meals plus a lunch dish for my husband. And then we're going to have broccoli and cheese. Then on Monday, I'm going to make Ritz chicken in the air fryer. It's super easy, and I'm pretty sure I have a recipe on that also. Broccoli and rice casserole, that is really good, and that will give us 2 meals of side dishes for that. Tuesday, we're going to have breakfast tater tot casserole. I have like half a bag of tater tots that I need to use up. So I just cook eggs. I'll throw in bacon bits. I will cook up some of those round minute sausage, microwave sausages, if you know what I'm talking about. Cut those up. I add cheese, top it with tater tots. It's a super easy, quick meal. Wednesday, we're going to have chili. I have homemade cornbread that I'm going to do. And then we always like to have some Fritos with that. I believe I have chili and cornbread recipes. And then Thursday, we're going to have pigs in a blanket. You guys know how to make those with crescent rolls and hot dogs, right? And then we'll also eat that leftover broccoli casserole. Then on Friday, I'm going to make sliders with fries. I have a slider recipe. You use Hawaiian rolls. They are so good, and I haven't made them in a long time. But I am stocked up in my freezer with the ground beef, so now is the time to go ahead and use that. And then I also, on Saturday, am going to make a bacon chicken ranch pizza. I have the pizza dough recipe. It's a Pioneer Woman. I'll link that video down below. And then I'm just going to use ranch dressing instead of sauce. I do cheese. I have some Perdue shortcut chicken in the freezer. And some bacon bits, and then we're just going to have those vegetizers that we got for free probably at least a month ago that are in my freezer, so we need to go ahead and use those up. Next week, we're just going to have the leftover chili and cornbread and Fritos again on Sunday. Monday, we're going to have chicken nuggets in the air fryer with those Perdue chickens, so we have so much chicken, we have to use it up, and another box of mac and cheese. Tuesday is going to be turkey pot pie. I have some cooked turkey in my freezer, and I have a chicken pot pie recipe video. You can use chicken or leftover turkey. It just depends on what I have, what I end up throwing in there. And then on Wednesday, we're going to have chicken, spaghetti, and green beans. It's so delicious. My family loves that. For the kids, I pull their stuff out before I add the rotel because they don't like things spicy. Thursday is going to be flatbread pizza and fries. I have a bunch of those flatbreads still up in my freezer that I need to use those up. We're just going to pull them out. The kids help make dinner. We do sauce and cheese and pepperoni and anything else we may have that we'll throw on there. And then on Friday, super easy meal. We got some things going on. We're going to do grilled cheese and tomato soup and Fritos, of course. And then Saturday is going to be our family Easter get-together. So I'm going to bring my famous Crockpot mac and cheese like I always bring to pretty much everything. I do have that recipe linked in the description box. And then I'm going to make a carrot cake. And the last 2 days I have planned for is Easter Sunday. So I have some frozen ham and frozen stuffing balls in my freezer. I'll make some fresh mashed potatoes. We'll have a can of corn, and then I'm going to have a special dessert since it's Easter. I'll make a Boston cream pie, and then I'll probably make some homemade peanut butter eggs to have as treats. And then Monday, I always like to do breakfast food at least once, maybe twice a month. It just saves a little bit. I'll just make some French toast with whatever leftover bread we have for the month. I'll cook half a pack of bacon in the oven and then whip up some scrambled eggs. So that is our monthly meal plan. Thanks for watching this video. And again, I will link any of the recipes that I mentioned. You probably got tired of hearing me say that, but I've done so many recipe videos. I will have everything linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.